what's up? I'm Mark and this is epicconfections. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. I know y'all are looking at me right now going, who the hell is that chubby little 12-year-old in the epicconfections kitchen without a beard? I know, I had to shave it off. I just wanted to feel fresh for a day or two. Don't worry y'all, I will be growing my beard back because I miss it and my husband misses it too. Let's just calm down, okay? I know what I look like. A bald little baby face. I forgot I had dimples. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 variations of the classic summer dessert strawberry shortcake. Let's do it! Yo! Really quick, a lot of you commented on my live stream, my last video, that you noticed some of my vintage dessert stands. So I wanted to showcase some of them for you right here. This one's my favorite because it's really strange, and I'm strange, but it folds up. Isn't that awesome? And then you can kind of take it wherever you go, to whatever event you need to take it to. I love this one, it's cute. Got it at Goodwill for $2. Because I'm thrifty like that. Or cheap. So the first cake I'm going to show you is the classic strawberry shortcake. I baked off 3 7-inch round white cakes. I'm just going to level these out. We're going to make some whipped cream, cut up some strawberries, and I'll show you how I assemble it. It's very easy. It's such a great light summer dessert. Here we go. That was easy. That's it. End of the video. So next I'm going to whip up a batch of my fresh scratch whipped cream, otherwise known as whipping cream. So I'm just going to add a liter of whipped cream into my bowl. And I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. You don't have to go so sweet, but I like my whipped cream sweet. In the meantime, I am going to cut up some strawberries. How I cut up my strawberries, I'm just going to cut the hats off. I call them hats. And just cut them into slices. And I'm going to continue cutting these up while my whipped cream is whipping. Let's do it. I'm just going to take a cloth and cover the bowl with it so it doesn't fly everywhere. And I am going to amp that up to high speed. And really give that a good whipping. So don't mind Tigra, she likes to just kind of watch me. Like, come on, Tigra, move. So you'll know when your whipped cream is ready to go, when it is nice and stiff, when you can stick your finger in there and it doesn't fall off when you shake it, that's when you know your whipped cream is done. So I have my whipped cream, my strawberries, I have a large piping bag with a large star tip on it, and a spatula. Just gonna start by putting a smear of whipped cream on the bottom layer and the second layer of the cake. Just a small little smear. And now I'm gonna fill up my piping bag with some whipped cream. Try not to get messy. Although when there's whipped cream involved, it always gets messy. So I'm just going to start making some dollops all the way around the bottom tier. And I did that smear of whipped cream on the bottom just so that when I do these dollops, it has something to stick to. And we're going to put some of those strawberry slices right along the edge, so that when I stack this up you can really see those beautiful sliced strawberries. So I'm going to throw that top layer on, and then I'm going to put this layer on top of that layer. Yes! Look at that! So now I am going to make some big dollops on the top, all the way around. I'm going to take some of my really nice berries, whole berries. I'm just going to stick them right on those dollops. And you can take the rest of your chopped berries and just throw them in the middle there. That is beautiful! Look at that! So this is how I make my strawberry shortcake. I know y'all have your own ways of doing it. If you do make a strawberry shortcake the next time, please tag me on Instagram at epicconfections. I'd love to see them. And I think it looks so cute. So simple, so fresh, so summery. Let's move on to my next strawberry shortcake. So for my next trick, kids, I'm gonna do a really cute strawberry shortcake in a jar. So I baked off 2 4-inch round white cakes. I'm just gonna level these out, cut them down so that they fit into the mason jar, and then we're going to stack it kind of like a trifle where it's cake, strawberries, whipped cream, cake, strawberries, whipped cream. Again, I'm just slicing some strawberries. I want to sink my teeth into that strawberry shortcake so bad. It looks so good just sitting there all lonely and shit. Like, eat me. Yeah, I will, bitch. You wait. Okay, so serious question. What do y'all think? Beard or no beard? Leave a comment below. Because I need to know. I haven't shaved my beard in years, so it does feel great, but I miss it. Let's stick this little guy all the way at the bottom of the mason jar. So I just layered it with some cake, then some strawberries, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put some whipped cream on there, just a little layer. And then we're gonna add our second piece of cake. Stick them in there. Some more strawberries. And a little bit of whipped cream. Look at that. And we're just gonna add a strawberry right on top. Isn't he so cute? I love it. Such a fun, easy dessert if you're having like an outdoor get-together, barbecue, family gathering. So super cute. Let's put him right here. Moving on to my next cake, I'm just getting prepared and slicing up some strawberries again. This next one is actually not a cake. It is a strawberry shortcake pie. And essentially, it is literally whipped cream, fresh sliced strawberries in a cooked pie shell. And I love this one because it gives you that kind of crunchy pie crust taste with a strawberry shortcake, and the combination is incredible. So here I have a 10-inch pie crust. This is pre-made, just bought from the store. You can make your own pie crust. Honestly, I love the taste of these pie crusts. I think they taste incredible. They're so super easy and quick to use. Just pop them in the oven. Done, good to go. Add a little bit of whipped cream on the bottom of the pie. Just a little bit. Get right up on the sides as well. So remember that little 4-inch white cake that I baked off? I baked off 2. Well, for this guy, I'm gonna use this as well. So what I'm gonna do, gingerly cut very thin slices off of it. So this is kind of like a fruit flan or fruit flan. I'm gonna add these pieces of cake right onto the bottom of that pie shell. You can overlap them a little bit. So you're kind of getting a cake, pie, strawberry shortcake. Incredible. And just adding a little bit more whipped cream and spreading it out. Dump all of those sliced strawberries right onto that pie. Look at that. and just spread them on out right to the edge. Once again, filling up my piping bag with the rest of my whipped cream, and then just making dollops all the way around the outside of the pie. So I ran out of whipped cream, so I had to make another liter. So to make all of these desserts, you're gonna need 2 liters of whipped cream. So let's pick up where we left off, just filling up my piping bag with some whipped cream. And again, just making some dollops all the way around the edge of the cake pie. And just taking some strawberries and just placing them on top of those dollops all the way around the edge of the cake pie. And there you have it, a cake pie. Now you can drizzle this with white chocolate or powdered sugar. I'm gonna leave it because I really like the look of those strawberries. And I forgot one last thing. I baked off 2 little 3-inch tarts when I was baking off that pie shell. Again, they're just pre-made, they come frozen. And I'm just gonna cut a strawberry and put a couple slices just in the bottom of that tart. 3 slices actually. And put a little dollop of whipped cream on that. And again, taking 2 nice strawberries, placing them right on top. There you go. 2 easy strawberry shortcake tarts. So here they are, guys. Here are 4 easy strawberry shortcake variations for a quick and easy summer dessert. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all of y'all next week. Mwah!